Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung's Social Tool. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple Instagram accounts and assign proxies to those accounts. First, I will open the Instagram bot. With this bot, you can manage multiple accounts directly inside the software interface. This is the Account Management tab. Before adding accounts, you need to create a category to store them. For example, I will create a category called Guide Add Account. As you can see, this category does not have any accounts yet. Now, I will open the information of one of my Instagram accounts. Here is the account information. It includes the username, the password, the 2FA security key, and this key will automatically generate a 6-digit code for login. Finally, we have the account cookie. If you have the cookie, the bot will log in very quickly, go straight into the account, and skip verification. You can also include additional information, such as email and email password if available. Each value must be separated by a vertical bar like this. Now, I will copy one account first. Click on Add Account and paste it here. Then select the category we just created. Next, choose the format option and match it with the values you have. The format includes username, Instagram password, Instagram 2FA code, and Instagram cookie. These are the basic details of this account. You can also add a proxy at the end of the line if you want. I will show you how to add proxies in a moment. Now click Save. The account has been added and is displayed here. To log in, simply select the account, click Login Account, then choose Login Instagram. Please wait a moment. The bot will automatically open and log into Instagram. It will prioritize logging in with the cookie first. After the login is completed, the bot will show the status in this column. For accounts that do not have a cookie available, the bot will automatically retrieve the cookie after login. This account is not using a proxy yet, so the bot is using the original IP address and location of my computer. Next, I will add multiple accounts at the same time. Adding multiple accounts is very simple. Each account should be placed on a separate line. Now I will copy from the first line to the last line. Go back to the bot and click Add Account. Select the category. Set the format in the correct order: username, Instagram password, Instagram 2FA code, and Instagram cookie. Then click Save. I have successfully added 9 more accounts. These 9 accounts have not been logged in yet. Now I will show you how to assign proxies to these Instagram accounts. There are 2 types of proxies: static proxies and rotating proxies. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use static proxies. Here, I already have a proxy list prepared. The proxy format includes IP, port, username, and password. The bot will automatically connect to these proxies when opening Chrome. After changing the proxy, the Chrome browser will use a different IP and location. This helps reduce the risk of account suspension. Now I will add these proxies into the bot. Click Add Proxy. Copy and paste the proxy list here. Select the format: host, port, username, and password. I am using the HTTP type. You can use either HTTP or SOCKS 5. These 2 types are the most commonly used. Click Add Proxy. The proxies will appear below. I currently have 5 proxies here. They have not been assigned to any accounts yet. Now I will select these 5 proxies and click Assign. Choose the account category we created earlier. Here, I will let the bot automatically distribute the proxies evenly. Then click Assign Proxy. After assigning, go back to the Account Management tab. In the Proxy column, you can see the assigned IP information. Now I will log into all these accounts at the same time. Just select all of them and click Log In. Alright, all accounts have been logged in. Now I will check whether the IP locations have changed. As you can see, the location has been changed to Indonesia. Each Chrome window is using a different proxy. Most of the proxies I am using are from Indonesia. That is the complete guide on how to add accounts and assign proxies when using the Instagram bot. After adding the accounts, you can use the bot normally. If you want to close all accounts, just click here. All opened accounts will be closed at once. That's it for today's tutorial. If you are interested in the Instagram bot, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos.